Hello students, welcome back. We are discussing 6th chapter of Civics Political Parties for class 10. This is 4th video lecture of this chapter, and here we are going to talk about the national parties. What are the national parties? What are the criteria laid down by the Election Commission to recognize the national parties? Then we will get some information about each national party. And you have to listen very carefully because after that I will ask a few multiple choice questions based on that information. Students, you know that India has a multi-party system in which we have a number of national and regional parties. National parties are country-wide parties, means national parties are extending throughout the countries. They have units in various states, but all these units in different states follow the same policies and programs. Here we can take the example of BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, a national party which has units in various states. But all these states follow the same policies and programs decided by the BJP at national level. National parties are recognized by the Election Commission of India and provided special facilities and a unique symbol. Who can use this unique symbol? This symbol can be used only by the official candidates of the party. In short, we can say that the national parties are country-wide parties. They have units in various states, but all these units follow the same policies and programs set by the party. These parties are recognized by the Election Commission and given special facilities and a unique symbol. Is it clear? Let's move on to the next topic. The criteria laid down by the Election Commission to recognize a party as a national party. So what are the criteria laid down by the Election Commission to recognize a party? A party that has to be recognized as a national party should get at least 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha or 6% of total vote in assembly election in 4 states. So here you can see 2 conditions are there. One condition should be fulfilled. The first one is 6% of total vote it should get in Lok Sabha election, or it should get 6% of total votes in assembly election. So one condition should be fulfilled here. And the second condition is it should get 4 seats, at least 4 seats in Lok Sabha. Thus, a party that secures 6% of total votes in Lok Sabha or in state assembly in 4 states and wins 4 seats is recognized as a national party. As per latest publication by the Election Commission of India, 8 political parties are recognized as the national parties. First one is the Indian National Congress, then Bharatiya Janata Party, the Bahujan Samaj Party, the Communist Party of India, Marxist, Communist Party of India, All India Trinamool Congress, Nationalist Congress Party, National People's Party. 8 national parties of India. But all these 8 parties differ from each other based on ideology. What is ideology? Ideology means opinion or belief. Students, you know that ultimate goal of each party is to bring positive change in the society or the welfare of the society or the country, but their opinion or ideas about it is different. Means each political party has different ideas and or opinion about bringing change in the country. So this different ideas or different kind of opinion about bringing change in society or country is known as the ideology of the political party. Get some information about each national party. The Indian National Congress, popularly known as the Congress Party. The Congress Party is one of the oldest parties in the world. It was founded in 1885. The major ideology of Congress is the secularism and welfare of weaker section and the minorities. Secularism means respecting or treating all the religions equally. Minorities are small communities or religious groups. The current president of the Congress party is Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. Another national party is the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. BJP was founded in 1980. The ideology of the BJP is cultural nationalism, Hindutva, complete territorial and political integration, a uniform civil code for all the people in the country. The president of BJP is Mr. Jagat Prakash Nada. Presently, BJP is the major political party of India. It secured 37% of votes and 303 seats in 2019 Lok Sabha election. Next political party is the Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP. BSP was founded in 1984. It was founded under the leadership of Kanshi Ram, one of the great leaders of the Dalit movement. The ideology of BSP is securing the interest and welfare of the Dalits, Adivasi and OBCs. The president of BSP is Mayawati ji. BSP secured 5% of votes and 19 seats in 2004 Lok Sabha elections. Next political party is Communist Party of India, Marxist, CPIM. CPIM had separated from the Communist Party of India, CPI. It was founded in the year 1964. The ideology of CPIM is socialism, secularism and democracy. CPIM wants socio-economic justice in India for all the people. It has strong support in West Bengal, Kerala and Tripura, especially among the workers and farmers. The president of CPIM is Mr. K. Balakrishnan. Another national party is the Communist Party of India, CPI. CPI was founded in the year 1925. The ideology of CPI is the secularism, democracy and securing the interest of working class farmers and poor. This party has a strong support in Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The president of CPI is Mr. D. Raza. Next party is the All India Trinamool Congress Party, AITC or TMC. TMC was founded in the year 1998. The ideology of TMC is anti-communism and Bengali nationalism. What is communism? Communism is a system in which the major means of production such as machines, factories are controlled by the workers, not by the factory owners. TMC is against of this kind of system. Thus, TMC is the anti-communism party. Currently, TMC is the fifth largest party in the Lok Sabha with 22 seats. The president of TMC is Mamata Banerjee. Another national party is the Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. The NCP was founded in 1999. The ideology of the NCP is the democracy, Gandhian secularism and the social justice. The NCP is a major party in Maharashtra and also supported by the people of Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. The president of the NCP is Mr. Sharad Pawar. Eighth national party of India is the National People's Party, NPP. NPP is the first party from Northeast India to be recognized as a national party. NPP was founded in the year 2000. The founder of NPP is P.A. Sagma. NPP is the major party of Meghalaya. The president of NPP is Conrad Sagma. Now the time for asking the questions. Let's start. The first question is, when was the Indian National Congress founded? The options are in 1835, in 1885, in 1880, or in 1855? What is the answer? The answer is 1885. Next question is, who was the founder of the Bahujan Samaj Party? The options are Kansiram, Sahu Maharaj. The third option is B.R. Ambedkar or Jyotiba. What is the right answer? The right answer is Kansiram. The next question is, political parties are allotted symbols by the Government of India, the Constitution of India, the party leader, or the Election Commission? And the answer is the Election Commission. Next question is, when was the Communist Party of India Marxist formed? 1764, 1864, 1964, or 2004? The answer is 1964. Our next question is, name the oldest political party of India. The options are Bahujan Samaj Party, Indian National Congress Party, the Communist Party, or the Bharatiya Janata Party. What is the answer? The answer is Indian National Congress. This is all about the national parties of India. Thank you for watching.